Should I put the both forks together, or that's the... Okay.
Should I go all the way down, lift my fork all the way up?
Okay. Keep coming. I got my boy D here. We got Heavy D here. Big D, my dog. We're gonna get this out. No time flat. It can explain. Alright, all you, bro. Yes, sir. Come on. All you. Wait, give me 1 sec. There we go. All you. All you, baby. All day, every day. Yes, sir. 1 second. Okay. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, man. My dog right there. Where you want to set it?